Good morning, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today, in our previous session, we are discussed about fermentation. There are some kind of fermentation: batch fermentation, continuous fermentation, feed batch fermentation. Today, we are discuss what is the bacterial fermentation. In our previous session, we had discussed fermentation is an anaerobic process in which energy can be released from glucose even to oxygen is not available. Fermentation occur in a yeast cell, and a form of fermentation take place in bacteria in the muscle cell of animals. So generally, what is the bacterial fermentation? Bacterial fermentation is a metabolic process, convert sugar to acid, is like anaerobic process, and lack of oxygen is become to the primary means of ATP production. Biological process by the which glucose, other six carbon sugars are converted into cellular energy and lactic acid. Lactic acid and bacteria is equal to gram and positive non-spores forming bacteria like cocci and rods. It is classified into two fermentative patterns like homofermentative pathway, which is called as a lactic acid pathway, and second one is heterofermentative pathway, which is the lactic acid plus ethanol plus carbon dioxide pathway. Here I am showing homofermentative pathway. This is the homofermentative pathway undergo by the bacteria such as Streptococcus species and some types of Lactobacillus species. Here is showing glucose convert into the fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, then it converted into the 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, then dehydroacetone phosphate, then it will be converted into 2-dehydrogenase phosphate, then further to 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid, then it is converted into pyruvate acetic acid, then to lactic acid. In this process, there is energy required, which is using in the phase of ATP. ATP convert into the ATP forms, and some enzymes also required to convert one form to second form. So, in this process, glucose convert into lactate, and further it is at the end to ATP also required. This is called homofermentative pathway. This is the heterofermentative pathway. Heterofermentative pathway is also similar to like homofermentative pathway. It is also species using a lacto species and some type of lactobacillus species. Glucose convert into glucose 6 phosphate, NADP and NADH also required for energies as substances 6 gluconic phosphate, then ribonucleic 5 phosphate, and CO2 also reduced from this process. Cellulose 6,5 phosphate, then it is converted into two phase: acetyl phosphate, then acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde convert into the ethanol and energy required in phase of NAD. Then further it is also converted in the phase of glyceraldehyde, which is converted into the 1,3-bisphosphate glyceraldehyde acid and pyruvate. Then further, as like some hemofermented pathway, it is also converted like lactate in form of a lactate. Mixed acid fermentation used by the mixed acid fermentation such as E. coli formed in three different types of acid: acetic acid, lactic acid, succinic acid, glucose, ethanol, CO2 or O2 also required for in this fermentation process, and lactose plus lactic acid bacteria converted into two bacteria: Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgarius. And the process importance of this process are make the milk from the acidic and causing the protein in milk coagulate. Thank you.